This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 12th. Stock index futures coming under some pressure this morning. We did have the November Producer Price Index coming in up 0.4% when up 0.3% was expected. Jobless claims coming in higher than anticipated. So these reports seem to be somewhat offsetting. Also, there are indications that the U.S. economy will perform better than the consensus view. So even though futures are under some pressure today, I think the longer-term outlook remains supportive and higher prices are likely for the stock index futures. Moving over to the currency markets, the December U.S. dollar index is a little bit lower today, but I would not be surprised to see a move back to higher. We have the European Central Bank at its policy meeting today, lowering its key interest rate by 25 basis points as expected. And it now looks like the ECB will be cutting rates at a relatively quick pace in 2025. Also, we had the Swiss National Bank lowering its key rate by 50 basis points, larger than the anticipated 25 basis point cut. So from here, I think we'll see higher prices in the dollar, lower prices for the euro currency, and lower prices for the British pound. And in the interest rate futures markets, mostly lower today. We do have some supply with the Treasury auctioning 30-year bonds. No Fed speakers today, and there will not be until we have the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on December 18th. Still looks like the Fed is on track to cut rates by 25 basis points at that meeting. In fact, there's a 97% chance of just that, 3% chance of no change. And going into next year, however, I think the Fed will be very slow to add accommodation, probably slower than the consensus view. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.